Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. 4 months back, I made a video on an AI trading bot that goes by the name of Finoti. And this was a bot that basically uses your investments, make trades on it, makes profit, and then give it back to you. Now, 4 months afterwards, it's almost the end of the 2023 and we're starting 2024. So in this video, we're going to talk about all the achievements that the Finoti AI trading bot has made, which will of course make up a mind of other people who were not certain about it before, but they can be certain about it now, seeing how much profit people have generated. So we're going to see all the achievements and the milestones that Finoti as a project and as a trading bot has made in this whole year. Plus, we're going to talk about their system. We're going to talk about their functionality, investment, how you can sign up, how you can get started, and so forth. So all that will be covered in this video. I'll give you guys the timestamps that will be in the description, or you can check the timeline. So if you can skip any part that you want, and you can watch any part that you're more interested in. So that'll be completely up to you. This is not going to be an investment or financial advice. So always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. Now here we are back again in the official website of Finoti. First of all, for those of you guys who are watching new, we will talk about the introduction about Finoti, what it is, how does the system work. Then we'll talk about their achievements in 2023. Afterwards, we're going to talk about their reviews, what people have said about them, and their testimonials, which will give us a good idea on what we can expect from Finoti. We'll talk about the features of this bot. We'll talk about how they ensure safety and security of the funds, because that is an important topic. And we'll talk about how does the bot actually works, so we can have a better understanding. And then we're going to talk about why you should be, using this, why you should choose Finoti to earn. So that's what we're going to talk about before we start talking about how we can sign up, how we can deposit, invest, and how we can withdraw. So this is how we're gonna take this video. All the timestamps, they will be in the description and on the timeline, so you can skip to any part that you want. Starting with the introduction. What is Finoti? Now, I have already made a video on it, so make sure that you watch that first. But if you want to know in this video and not watch that whole video, in short, Finoti is an AI-powered bot that has its own algorithm. It specializes in arbitrage trading. That means buying at a point when the value of the asset is low, or at a place where the value is low, and selling it at a higher price point, and you generate a profit. And it does that while ensuring zero risk. Now, this tool is ideal for generating a constant passive income from cryptocurrencies, and it is user-friendly. There's no special training that you need or education that is required to be able to use this. Now, since it is powered by artificial intelligence, so it is intelligent, it is dependable, it is fully automated, so you don't have to do anything. It employs advanced algorithms to track market trends, and it executes trades only when a minimum profit is guaranteed. It offers continuous 24/7 trading throughout the year, so it never stops, and it basically tirelessly maximizes your crypto investment, which ensures that you never miss out on lucrative opportunities. Now, this is what Finoti is. Now, we're going to talk about the achievements of Finoti in 2023. Now, if you can take a look at this, or you can take a look at the website, they have more than 10,000 users worldwide altogether, and this is going to increase. In total, there has been more than 5.4 million trades, which accounts for a trading volume of 8.16 billion plus. That is huge, absolutely insane. And out of this, they have been able to generate a profit of 15.8 million plus, which is distributed to the users who used the bot. So this is what they have achieved in 2023. And of course, as we are entering into the bull run in the bull market, next years are looking even more, I would say, optimistic, and I'm expecting that this is going to increase exponentially in the coming years. Now, while we're talking about achievements, I would say one of the biggest one is them getting certification from DigiCert. So if you open up the website, whether you open it up on the browser or you open it up
on the computer or on the mobile version, you will notice this certificate. Now, this is very essential, very important, because as Yahoo Finance reported, that the Finori has achieved this DigiCert Extended Validation SSL certification from DigiCert, which is a globally recognized leader in the digital security solutions, and has acquired 1.75 million US dollars warranty, which enhances, to enhance the trust and the security of its online presence. You can check this article out on the Yahoo Finance, and you can also check out this report from the DigiCert for more details. Mostly, we have seen major companies like banks, MNC, and Fortune 500 companies that usually does get this certification. So this is a pretty big deal for Finori and a very big accomplishment in ensuring trust and safety of its users. If we talk about the testimonials, you can check it out on the Trust Pilot. You can also check it out on their own website as well. They have pasted some of the testimonials. All of them are positive. It says any platform investment most important. They're sharing the profit that they have generated on a monthly basis up to 8 to 15%. That is pretty decent. This person has been using it since July, and they're very happy about it with the performance. This person has been using it since 28th of July this year, and it has been successful so far. And most of these reviews are mentioning about fast withdrawals, which is pretty amazing because that's what people want. Now, let's talk about the features of Finori. You can take a look at all these features right here, but I'll give you guys a summary of these. If we talk about the data analysis and processing, it basically processes real-time data to spot arbitrage opportunities. Then we have pattern recognition, since it uses artificial intelligence and also machine learning, so it can identify financial patterns and anomalies for potential arbitrage. Then we have this system called HFT, which is short form of high frequency trading. So it execute lightning fast trades for brief arbitrage chances. If we talk about the arbitrage strategy development, this bot optimizes arbitrage strategies based on historical data. Then in the sentiment analysis section, it basically analyzes news and social media sentiment for short-term price predictions, which is pretty amazing, and that's why it is artificial intelligence. Then we have regulatory compliance. So it ensures compliance, so there's no concern over there. This bot monitors for market manipulations in arbitrage trading. If you talk about machine learning for adaptability, the system that they have developed, it adapt strategies to the changing market conditions in arbitrage trading. If you talk about efficiency and scalability, it efficiently manages multiple cryptocurrencies and it offers scalability. Then we have fraud detection. So it specializes in fraud detection. They have been able to make this system which identifies activities like pump and dump schemes in crypto markets, and it effectively avoided. And this brings us to the part on what makes it safe and secure. So the first thing is the fraud detection, of course, that ensures that the user's funds are safe and secure and they're not being put into pump and dump schemes. The other thing is that it prioritizes the safety of your funds with advanced network security, encrypting sensitive data like API keys and passwords, so you can use this bot with a peace of mind. Now let's talk about how does the bot work, because this is important. Now it works 24/7 and it generates passive income for us 24/7 because it is powered by artificial intelligence, and these things never sleep. What it does is it buys at a low point, which I already have explained, and it sell high through its multi-level approach. Now it works on different levels. First of all, we have within an exchange. So it pinpoints low-priced buy orders and it sells when a profitable selling price is detected on the same exchange. Now they have a lot of exchange partners, so you can see on their website. So this works within an exchange. But we have another level that is one-to-many exchanges. Now in this one, it compares a single buy order against multiple connected exchange orders, and it optimizes for highest profit margin before selling. And then there's an even bigger level, that is many to many exchanges. In this, it simultaneously explores multiple exchanges. It identifies low buy orders and also the high sell prices across the board for strategic trading. So basically, it utilizes all these levels and it ensures maximum profit. And that is how it works. Now, the final question is why you should choose Finori to earn. First, we talk about daily payments, which is important. So your earnings are compounded and they are credited daily for continuous growth. Now, compounding is pretty important here because, every time you generate a profit, it is basically put back into the, I would say it is invested back, and the next withdrawal that you get will be more than what you got before. So that is pretty important. The next point is automatic earnings. What this means is that all you have to do is you deposit in Finori and you let the bot handle the earning process automatically without you having to do anything else. Pretty simple. And the next point is we have consistent earnings in this. So since 2022, investors, they have been enjoying uninterrupted access to their earnings. They have been consistently getting returns. You can check out all the reviews from different websites, and I don't think you'll be able to find even a single bad review on this because it has been ensuring maximum profit and almost 0% chances of loss. Now, the next point is that it is completely secure, which we already have discussed before. Your funds are completely safe. You have full control over it, and they only collaborate with recognized and reputable exchanges. And the next point is that it is cloud-based. So it is operating on cloud-based server, which ensures uninterrupted 24/7 bot activity, and it never misses a trade because it never shuts down. And the final point is that we have a 24/7 support, which is pretty important. So it is available, their support is available around the clock, so you don't have to worry about it. It gives you assistance wherever and whenever you need it. Now, this, I think, answers to the question why you should be using this. If there's any other bot out there that you think will be offering all of these things or more than these things, then I think you're welcome to go there. But I don't think right now we do have any of these bots that are offering all these things with the security that this bot is offering. Now, let's get to the final thing. How you can sign up, how you can deposit, how you can invest, and how you can withdraw. First of all, what you have to do is click on sign up now. Now, in this page, if you have been referred by someone, if you have a referral link, you'll be pasting it here. Otherwise, leave it blank. Put down your username, put down your email ID, then password, then repeat password, click on I accept terms of services, and then click on sign up, which I'm going to do right now. It will send a verification code to the email that you provided. You're going to go over there, copy that code, paste it over here, and click on submit. Now, all you have to do here is put down your first name, your last name, then put down all of your social media handles that are mentioned here, and then you click on submit. Now, once you have done that part, the registration process will be completed and you will enter the dashboard. This is what it's going to look like. So you get your, if you have referred people, you have basically made up this team. This is where you're going to, it will show up the team cells, what what the team cells are for today, and the how many people have signed up today and so forth. So this is where you're going to get all that information, which will be right here. This is something that I mentioned before, so we're given a lot of benefits and I would say offers in the start. So when you sign up, you're given 1 USDT in your withdrawal wallet already. So they're giving a lot of bonuses and so forth. You can actually see all these things right here. Now, if you want to invest, you can see the button right here that says invest. Click on it, and this is what we get. So we have 3, I would say, plans. We have the first one is non-locking, which is between 5 to 400, almost like 500 USDT, and this is the daily payout that we get and the monthly payout. And then we have 6 months in which it is locked, and then we have 12 months lock, which of course gives us more daily payout, more return. So you can see the monthly payout in these for 6 months and the 12 months is actually higher. In this one, you choose the gateway. So in this, we can use the interest wallet, or we can use the Finori crypto payment gateway, and we put in the amount they want to use, and based on it, it will
assign us to these packages, and we click on submit. Now let's say you want to invest $1,000 in this. You put down the amount and you click on submit. Now this is where it's going to take us. Now this is the, I would say, the address in which we need to send 1000 USDT TRC20. So either we can, copy this code that we have, or we have this QR code that we can scan through our wallet. We send that amount, exactly this, and then we wait. It says complete your deposit within 1 hour and please send the exact amount highlighted in red. Failing to do so can result in delays of up to 24 hours. So you only send USDT TRC20 to this address, and the expected arrival is within 5 to 30 minutes, and that's it. This is the whole process. It is pretty simple, pretty straightforward, not really complicated. Now this is how you invest. If you talk about withdrawal, if you come to the dashboard, you can see this section. You get the option if you want to, reinvest 5 USD and above. So it will automatically reinvest that amount. In here, you're going to put down your TRC20 wallet address. You'll be putting in the amount that you want to withdraw, and then you click on submit. That's it. It's going to take some time and you will receive that amount in your address. That's it. That's all you need to do. So this is the whole process through which you can sign up, you can invest, you can generate a profit, and then you can withdraw. Pretty straightforward, not really complicated.
Now, one thing to note here is you will notice that you are unable to paste your TRC20 address right here. So in order to put your address here, what you're going to do is you click on your profile, go to my profile, and in this section, you will see that we have an option to add our TRC20 address here. So this is where we're going to paste it, and we're going to update changes. If you want to change the address, you're going to come back to the profile and you'll be pasting another TRC20 address, and then you'll click on update, and it will automatically update on the dashboard where you will be able to withdraw by just selecting the amount right here and then clicking on submit, which I already have showed you guys the process.
And here you can see the live trades that the bot is performing, and you can take a look at the profit that it is generating. None of it is in negative. You'll notice that it always is positive. You can take a look at the currencies that it is trading. We have Ethereum, USDT, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Doge, Solana, XRP. So basically the top coins that we have in crypto. And you can see the statistics on how much shares it is performing, how much it is generating, what the volume is, and what the trade count is.
Now, I do understand a lot of people feel safe when you can actually see the trades. I already have showed you guys on the dashboard the live trades that the bot is performing. Now, I do have some screenshots of the trades that the Finori bot is performing on the Binance specifically. Now, this is on the perpetuals, because you can see it is on the Ethereum USDT perpetual, and this is the closing P&L, profit and loss, and you can see it is positive. Sometimes the profit is less, but it is doing that almost like every other minute. So these profits are being generated in a very short period of time. We have profits generating from 4.5 for USDT to 16.23 USDT. Now it does that on other sort of trades as well. So if you notice the P&L on all these trades, you will see that it is positive. Sometimes it's pretty decent. So 4 to 5 USDT from a single transaction, that is pretty amazing. So we have all sorts of proof of the opening position, the closing position, the fees that involve in it, and how much the bot is generating on every single trade. It is always positive. Sometimes it is very, very minimal, but altogether the net profit for a whole day, in a sense, it becomes really sufficient. So you have all these trades, you have all this proof, you have the order number, so you can check it out for yourself and confirm it from yourself that okay, it is pretty legit. Now this one is on the perpetuals, which I actually already have showed you guys. It is opening up long and on short positions for Ethereum, and actually in this one you can see it opened up 2 long position and 2 short positions. Both, all of them are closed because it was for a very short period of time. And in some cases, it has been able to close a P&L of 16.23 USDT, which is pretty amazing. So these are some of the, I would say, some of the proofs that we have. And moreover, in 2024, they are introducing physical gold bars that you can see on the screens. In this, users will be able to purchase physical gold bars with their Finori profits, which can be 1 gram, 2 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram, 100 gram, and even 1 kilogram gold bar. Or they can choose to withdraw to their external wallet. They can also withdraw to debit card as well. And this brings us to another amazing news that Finore is bringing and introducing their very own debit card that you can see on the screen, through which you can basically directly withdraw your profit into this card, and then you can spend it. You can withdraw cash from ATM all around the world, or you can use this card for shopping, for paying for at petrol pump or hotel booking, flight booking, grocery shopping, etc. And you can do all of this all over the world. So these are major accomplishments and major updates and features that we have coming in the future of this project in this whole ecosystem.
I think this is an amazing opportunity. A lot of people have already gotten a good return out of it, and I think seeing how the market is improving and how the prices of all of the cryptocurrencies are increasing, so the profit in this and what the bot will be able to generate will be much higher. So I think it is definitely going to be profitable. It is an amazing opportunity that should not be missed. So if you are interested in it, make sure that you sign up and you can start right away whenever you want. And that's it. This is all of you guys in this video. I'll give you guys all the links that will be in the description, so make sure that you use that. And yeah, this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly, so stay tuned.